Hello everyone! I'm happy to welcome you to my wonderful farm. My name is Anzhelika and I live on a homestead in the Ternopil region. Before we watch this video, I invite you to subscribe to this channel, give a like to this or another video and leave your comment. Enjoy watching! Today is one of those beautiful sunny mornings that instantly lift your mood. I love days like this, they make everything easier. One of my favorite things to do is to take photos of my cats and dogs. They're always doing something cute. And now it's time for breakfast. Of course, no morning starts without a cup of aromatic coffee. It's my daily ritual. But today I want something warm and nourishing. And nothing compares to fresh homemade soup. Jolie turned over on the bed and is waiting for me, but I'm not ready to rest yet. There are still so many things to do. First, I need to water all the houseplants. I have quite a lot of them, and I love being surrounded by greenery even in winter. But plants need regular care, and I always try to make time for it. To be honest, I really enjoy this process. Whenever I discover a new, truly beautiful plant in a lovely pot, I simply cannot resist the urge to bring it home with me. Some of these wonderful plants are still actively blooming, and that always makes me smile with genuine delight. Now, it's definitely time for me to go outside, because my beloved goats are patiently waiting for me out there. They need to be fed, and luckily, I still have a supply of pumpkins. I cut out the middle and slice the rest into bite-sized pieces. Alaska is already waiting by the gate. She knows I have something tasty. And Jan, as always, just wants to play and fool around.
Ти мовчи, не м'явкай.
Since I have a bit of free time, I decide to take a walk through the forest. Here I collect fallen maple leaves. Fortunately, there are plenty scattered around. Today the wind is strong, so I have to press the leaves down into the bucket so they don't blow away. Soon the sturdy bucket is completely full and I then head back home. But even when I'm incredibly busy with my tasks, I always find a precious moment to truly admire the natural beauty all around me. Alaska doesn't mind snacking on a few maple leaves. She really loves them.
Що не хочеш, то я тобі румяню давала.
Jan joins in too. It's their little seasonal treat. Back home, it's time to get back to work. Today I'm focusing on polishing the mirrors and preparing for painting. Before I start, I mix the paint into a deep, rich gray color. After carefully preparing all the surfaces, the paint goes on evenly and smoothly. The wind outside helps it dry almost instantly.
Наносити.
It's already taking on a stylish new look and I can't wait to see the final result. As always, I have a team of curious helpers. Kitty is fascinated by her reflection in the mirror, while Alaska watches everything I do with great interest.
Аляска.
When the painting is finished, my neighbor kindly helps me carry the mirror into the room. Its place in the house was chosen long ago, and now it's finally coming home. When the sun begins to set, I return to the forest. It's a wonderful time to gather dry branches. On the way, I stop at a quiet bench to rest and enjoy the golden light. When I return home, I'm greeted by my animals and a cozy space. I take out clean, empty 3-liter jars and start packing the cabbage into them, pressing it down. They say that sauerkraut contains more vitamin C than citrus fruits. I love eating it in winter with different side dishes, which is why I made so much of it. I store it in a dry, cool place and it will last for months. And now it's time to relax. It's too cold outside to bathe, so I bring in a bucket of hot water. Fortunately, I have a water heater and running water in the house. I add some fragrant bubble bath and light a few scented candles. Then I turn off the lights and just relax. Everyone needs moments like these. Quiet, simple pleasures that make life complete. Thank you for spending it with me. See you in new videos. Bye bye.